The World Health Organization has been observing World Health Day on 7th April towards better health. This year the slogan is Our Planet, Our Health. Yes, it is true. Because of the cruelty of human beings, the planet is day by day degenerating, and entire planet, the earth, is getting pollution, air pollution, water pollution, space pollution, even because of pesticides, the food pollution. Thereby the earth is getting day by day warming, that is called global warming. And as per the experts, by 2100 the global warming is going to be 5 degrees centigrade. At that time the entire Himalayas, they will dissolve. Tsunamis may come, cyclones may come. Even today, during last 100 years, never we have seen this sort of temperatures like 48 degrees in Andhra Pradesh in 2023 April month. This shows that the earth is day by day is damaging. Therefore, the government of India, while giving all credit to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, that Swachh Bharat also is going to help to bring down the global temperatures. Not only that, because of this particular phenomena, people should work together and see that the pollution is controlled. If we protect nature, nature protects us. If we destroy nature, nature will destroy us. If nature is destroyed, many diseases like dengue, malaria, cancers, even the Omicron, the latest corona, it is because of the human misbehavior with the living organisms and living animals and the environment. Therefore, I would appeal to every person on this globe